What's up you guys, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm finna be installing a tape guide Stakedown kit on my Series 3 XJ6. This is my first ever attempt on doing this, so this video should only be used as a guide. Do this at your own risk. Let's get to it. Jaguars with the classic XK engines are prone to having the steel taper guides on the exhaust side come loose from the aluminum head and crash around the inside of the engine, destroying it. This problem only occurs to Jaguars from the year 1987 and older that are emission equipped, like here in California. I know it sucks. Remove the two 9/16 engine support bar bolts. Remove the 7/16 coolant reservoir mounting bolt. Remove the smog air pump hoses. Remove the bracket bolt holding the smog hose. Remove the T-start valve cover screw. Use a 7/16 socket to remove the valve cover bolts. Remove the valve cover. You'll need a new valve cover gasket, a half-moon grommet, and copper washers when installing it back. Wipe clean the oil. Cover the timing chain and the oil drain holes to keep the metal chips out. Align the Stakedown kit. Make sure they're flush with the taper guides. Measure the length of the bolt with a drill bit and put some tape around it to use as a guide on how deep to drill. Do the same for the tab. Add some oil on the drill bit to keep the metal shavings from flying everywhere. While holding the plate firmly in place, use a 1/4 drill bit to drill the tab holes. Drill at low speed and use light pressure. A vacuum cleaner can be very helpful to catch some metal shavings. I didn't have one, so I just wiped the area clean as much as possible, and I'll be doing an oil change after. Tap each hole with a 1/4 20 tap. Follow the same procedure for the rest of them. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. I will highly recommend you guys checking out Cole's video on installing the Stakedown kit. His step-by-step instructional demonstration video gives a better understanding on how to properly install this kit. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.